morning, students. In my previous video, I started chapter 3 matter and we reached till the topic exothermic and endothermic. Okay, just reminding you what is endothermic and exothermic. Endothermic, that is heat added. When in substance heat is added, that is called endothermic. And if from the substance heat released, then it is called exothermic. So depending upon these two processes, some topics I am going to explain. The first topic is melting. Okay, what is melting? Let's see. Melting. When solid state changes into liquid state, on heating. When solid state gaining some heat and it changes into liquid state at a constant temperature, then it is called melt. For example, if we see the ice, okay, if we take out ice from fridge, it starts melting outside. Some constant temperature is there, it absorbs some heat from the atmosphere and it starts melting. Okay, so this is called melting, and that constant temperature is called melting point. For water, melting point is 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, for water. And different substances having different melting points. Okay, for water, it is for water, melting point is 0 degrees Celsius. Understood, students? And it is this type of process according to endothermic and exothermic. This is absorbing heat, so it is endothermic process. Okay? Now, after this, second topic is vaporization. Vaporization when liquid state changes into gases. Liquid absorbing some heat and changes into gases. Okay, this is called vaporization. Now, vaporization is two types. First is evaporation. Which occurs naturally. And second is boiling, which is man. Which we do. Okay? Naturally occurs with in rivers or lakes, water bodies. You see in summer days, that water of lake or river it starts decreasing. Why? Due to evaporation. Some heat, due to some heat, it starts evaporate. Evaporate means it starts vaporize. The liquid starts making what? Vapors of water and it mixes into air. That's why the water of lake or river or other water bodies decrease. That is called evaporation. And it is also happening in a constant temperature, atmospheric temperature. That is called evaporation temperature. Okay, that is evaporation. That is vaporization. Vaporization temperature. Temperature. And boiling, when we boil water or any other liquid, it starts boil. When it starts boil, it starts vaporize. So at constant temperature, maximum summer days. In winter and in rainy days, it occurs little bit, okay, not more, but in summer days, it occurs more than rainy and winter. Okay, so this topic vaporization, I hope you understood. Now next topic is condensation. See the next topic, it is condensation. What is condensation? When gaseous state changes into liquid state on cooling, then it is called condensation. You may see in bottle of cold drink when it is chilled, okay, you keep it on table for some time, you can see small droplets outside of bottle. What its droplets are? These droplets became liquid from gas. Inside the bottle, some gas is there and it starts cooling and it becomes liquid. That is called condensation. Understood? And it is releasing, it always releases heat. That is why it is exothermic process. Exothermic process. Okay, this is exothermic. And it also held in constant temperature, and that temperature we call condensation point. That is condensation point. That constant temperature is called condensation point. And for water, it is 0 degrees. For water, condensation point. For water, condensation point is 0 degrees Celsius. Understand, students? Now, the next topic is freezing. Next topic is freezing. When liquid state changes into solid state on cooling, then it is called freezing. It's very easy example is making ice. In your home, it is there, and in summer, you are so crazy about this to make ice. In ice, where you pour some water and keep it in freezer, and it becomes ice cubes. That is freezing. Okay, that is called freezing. What do you do? Liquid state, you change it in solid state. Okay, so on cooling. So it is this type of process, that is exothermic. Heat released in here. So it is exothermic process. Okay, at freezing point, you know very well that is 0 degrees Celsius for water, and different substance, different freezing point. Understood? So for water, freezing point is 0 degrees. That constant temperature in which any liquid becomes solid, that is called freezing point. Okay? And for water, it is 0 degrees. Understood, students? Now, the next topic is sublimation. Sublimation is when solid state on heating changes into gaseous state directly. On heating, it is changing in gases. Okay, that is called sublimation. Okay, and this type of things you can see at your home. You can see camphor. Camphor, when you burn, it becomes in gaseous state. You never see it in liquid state. Camphor, or in washroom you use odonil or air wick. You just put it, and after 30 days it removes. your portion. Okay. Now, one activity I want to show for sublimation. Okay. Suppose this is a china dish, and on this one funnel is kept. In this funnel, some cotton. This is cotton. By cotton, we close this funnel, and in china dish some ammonium chloride, which is a sublimate, which is a sublimation for sublimation. The substance which sublimate, that is called, which is there for sublimation, that is called sublime. So ammonium chloride is the sublime. Ammonium chloride. If we burn it, suppose this is Bunsen burner, okay, this is Bunsen burner and it is burning, suppose it is burning, fire is there, this is Bunsen burner. When it burns, ammonium chloride burns, it starts making some smoke inside, the funnel. White smoke you can see. Okay, here this one is smoke. You cannot see in liquid form. This in liquid form you cannot see. This will be in gas. And when you cool it, you just stop Bunsen burner, stop this one, and you cool it. After some time, you will see this one is clean. And when you remove this bottle, you will see some white substance is there, that is ammonium chloride. After cooling that gaseous state, it becomes again solid. And this process is called sublimation. In sublimation, solid state changes into gaseous state, that is called sublimation. And if gaseous state you cool it, you will get that solid state. And this process is called, the reverse process is called sublimation. And these type of substance we call sublime. In sublime, what is there? Iodine. Sublime is iodine, ammonium chloride, camphor, and some more are there. What we can say? Naphthalene. Naphthalene is also there. Naphthalene. These are sublime. And this reverse process, that is gaseous state, changes on cooling into solid state. This is called sublimate. Understood, students? Okay. Now, next topic is one thing I have forgotten to tell about sublimation. Since it is in this process, heat is added here. Okay, so this is endothermic process. Sublimation is endothermic process. Now, the last topic is solidification. Solidification is when gaseous state changes into solid state. That is on cooling in a constant temperature. That constant temperature is called solidification point, and gaseous state changes into solid. It's very simple example. When carbon dioxide cooling, carbon dioxide on cooling, it becomes dry up. And this here heat released, so it is exothermic process. changes into gaseous state, that is vaporization. When gaseous state changes into liquid, that is condensation. When solid state changes into gaseous state, that is called sublimation. And when gaseous state changes into solid, that is solidification. So by this flowchart, you can understand which is melting, which is freezing, okay, and so on. That vaporization, condensation, sublimation, and solidification. All these processes. In these six processes, 3 are endothermic process and 3 are exothermic process. Again, I'm reminding that melting, that is endothermic, vaporization, endothermic, condensation, exothermic, freezing, exothermic, then sublimation, endothermic, and lastly solidification, which is exothermic process. Okay, now the last topic, that is chemical change. Chemical change. Chemical change is what? When a new and different substance are formed. Okay, when new and different substance are formed, and chemical change is permanent. It is a permanent change. Then new substance, getting new substance. Okay, and it is irreversible. Not irreversible. Yeah, irreversible. Stop. Okay, according to your book, that is chemical changes are permanent changes in which new and different substances are formed. Heat is involved in chemical changes in 2 ways. Either heat is needed for the change or to happen, or it is released during the change. Both can be endothermic and exothermic. Now, example I want to tell. Example is what? What is example? That raw vegetables are there. When actually raw vegetables, okay, your mother cut it and then cook it. After cooking, can you get it again in raw form? No, you cannot get. So this is chemical change. When in a lukewarm milk, you pour some curd and just stir it, and after some time you will see. After you just keep it after putting it close. Okay, after 1 or 2 hours, you will see that milk became curd. And after that, after getting curd, you cannot change it in milk. Can you change? No, you will not get the same thing. That is chemical change. In chemical change, you get a new thing which you cannot change in previous. It is important to change in previous. Suppose you burn some paper. Paper you burn. After burning, can you get that paper again? No. That became what? Carbon. So you will not get it. This is chemical change. Okay, so in chemical change, you get new substance and it is irreversible process. It cannot be changed in that previous substance. So this is chemical change. Students, now your chapter 3 matter is over. All the topics I have given you